Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how do you get Steam points. So first of all, let me tell you, what are Steam points? Well, Steam points are the currency that you can use in order to buy stuff from the point shop. But what is the point shop? The point shop is where you can get cosmetics for your avatar, your background, or stickers, lots of other things like even game profiles. To show you an example, these are the things that you can find on the point shop, and I have bought lots and lots of things here in the point shop, and here I have the balance. These are my Steam points, and you might be wondering, how do I get this and what kind of things do I get from this? Yeah, maybe showing you the point shop would be a bit vague, to be honest, so let me show you what exactly you can get. You can get these kinds of things: an animated avatar, an animated background, even background or avatars that aren't even animated, or even ones that show up in your friends and chat. Like if I head over here to friends and chat, give me a bit, and then you can see their animated avatars. And one thing else is that you have the mini profile avatar, no background. It's what you'll see if you hover your mouse, your cursor over their profile picture. You see there's an animated background. No, that's not the same as the background that you see on the profile. That's something entirely different. To show you what I mean, even this one here, this one's different. And how you can access these things are through your profile by heading over here to edit profile, and then profile background. As you can see, I have different profile backgrounds that won't affect the background that I have in my mini profile. This one's different, as you can see. Alright, so how do I get these things? Well, it's really simple. You buy games. Yes, that's it. You buy games. That's how I got mine. So you head over to store, buy something, maybe during the sales. Especially if you buy games that are worth more, you get more Steam points. As far as based on my experience, I can tell for certain that that's true. So let's say you want to buy something big, like something like the Dark Tide over here. It will give you lots of Steam points because you're buying more. You're giving more to Steam, so they're gonna give you more in return. So I've been buying lots of games, and there's like one I bought last night, which gave me around 100 Steam points because that one was a bit cheap, to be honest. But yeah, it is really that simple. That is how you get Steam points. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.